Constructivism. We create actively our own knowledge. Nevertheless, to do this, we have to inquire, explore, and evaluate what we already know. That's how meaning is constructed, through experiences and reflecting on those experiences. In other words, as we interact with our environment, we associate new information from current experiences to previous knowledge, and thus we construct new understanding and knowledge. Constructivism triggers the student's innate curiosity about how things work and the world itself. Students do not reinvent the wheel, rather, they attempt to understand how the wheel works. Constructivism has two forms: psychological or individual constructivism, which is concerned how individuals construct their own knowledge, beliefs, and identities during the learning process. In other words, how learners have to adapt themselves to the new ideas and knowledge, and also how they have to change their pre-existing knowledge to the new one in order to behave in a different way. This theory is extremely linked to Piaget's theory of cognitive development. The second one is social constructivism. According to Vygotsky, social processes are integral to learning. This theory view is that social interaction shapes cognitive development and is an essential component of the learning process. In this form of constructivism, human development is socially situated and knowledge is constructed through interaction with others. There are some cognitive theories. Learner-centered approach. Learners bring their own knowledge and experiences to the learning context. Discovery learning. Students will make sense of, remember, and apply what they have learned if they learn it in a meaningful context. PBL or problem-solving learning. Learners find solutions to problems in order to build knowledge. Collaborative and cooperative learning. Cognitive benefits arise from the construction and negotiation of meaning that occurs in social interaction. Peer-assisted learning encourages social interaction and gives learners opportunities to construct their learning and support the peers in doing the same. And finally, cognitive apprenticeship. Learners are guided by an expert who provides scaffolding so that eventually the novice will be able to perform tasks and work through problems autonomously. I have chosen 3 tools. One of them is the iPad. iPads are a powerful, engaging, and motivating to learning tool. It can be used to assess a student's learning. Moreover, it can be used for downloading and installing apps that may help them learn the context they are studying. iPads can support constructivism approaches since learners may work on their own pace, explore apps, or search the internet to find out answers they are searching for and also assess their own learning. With an iPad, students can work cooperatively and collaboratively. Social interaction and cooperation or collaboration is possible with this tool. In case a student is doing their homework and don't know how to do a particular task, they can interact with their peers through social media or iPad's own chat app. iPads can also help us with the next 2 tools. Kahoot is a free game-based learning platform for teachers and students. Kahoot is a tool for using technology to administer quizzes, discussions, and surveys. It is a game-based classroom response system played by the whole class in real time. Multiple choice questions are projected on a phone or laptop screen and then students answer the questions by pushing a button. This software is fun and easy to handle. Teachers can create questionnaires or quizzes in order to test a student's knowledge. Kahoot can be used in several different ways by both students and teachers. Kahoot is a tool that can be used as a strategy that gives many opportunities to the players in order to learn the targeted content. Today, for instance, I use Kahoot as a tool to review previous lessons. This way, my student reinforces what they have learned while they have fun. Finally, Duolingo. It is a software created for people to learn languages. The owner says anyone could do it easily, even if the learner has some previous knowledge, or if they don't know anything at all, this app software could teach them. I find interesting the fact that learners escalate their knowledge at their own pace. Thus, it is up to the learner how much time they want to spend on it. The app is quite interactive, fun, and easy to handle as well. In addition, it has different modalities of interaction. Not only is it suitable for visual learners, but also for auditory ones. They say that Duolingo is the world's largest online language learning platform. It was recognized as Apple's iPhone app of the year of 2013, as well as Google Play's Best of the Best of 2013 and 2014. Duolingo's adaptive experience has gamified elements to make language learning more fun and effective. More than 200 million students are learning a language with Duolingo, and it is totally free. Duolingo aims to be a positive and safe environment for learning. That's why they offer a school version where teachers or parents can disable certain vocabulary words for adults.